Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. I am Shweta Sinha and today I am going to explain about resistivity. Okay, to understand resistivity, we need to go back to resistance. We know about resistance that it is directly proportional to length and it is inversely proportional to cross-sectional area for conductor. We know this thing. Okay, by combining these two factors, we can write this R is directly proportional to L upon A. No problem in writing this. Okay, now we know that whenever we have proportionality sign in an equation, after removal of this, we get a constant. Okay, so same thing we will do here. We have proportionality sign, so we will remove this sign. Now we have a constant. Okay, that is proportionality constant. In this case, constant of proportionality known as resistivity. Okay, so R is directly proportional to L upon A. After removal of this sign, R is equal to rho L upon A. Rho is the constant which is known as resistivity. Okay, and this is the symbol of resistivity. Okay, and it is pronunciated as RHO, rho. Okay, okay students, and you can make it like just little bit curve P. Okay. So this is about resistivity, how resistivity came. Okay, but what is the role of resistivity? What is the role of this constant of proportionality here? Let's try to understand. Okay, yes. So from this formula we can see, if I put length is equal to 1 meter and area is equal to 1 meter square, what I get? You can see clearly, resistance is equal to resistivity. We get this thing, R is equal to rho. Okay, so what does it mean? How do we define resistivity? We can see R is equal to rho means resistivity is equal to the resistance value. Okay, or you can say resistivity is equal to the value of resistance for which, for what? For a conductor with 1 meter length and with 1 meter square cross-sectional area. Are you getting my point? Resistivity defines the value of resistance for a conductor with unit dimensions, means 1 meter length and 1 meter square cross-sectional area. That's why resistivity also known as specific resistance. Specific resistance means value, specific value of रेजिस्टेंस. स्पेसिफिक का मतलब स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको बता दूं, स्पेसिफिक जब हम यूज करते हैं जब कोई वैल्यू यूनिट डायमेंशंस पे डिफाइन हुई हो. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज आल्सो नोन एज स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस एंड इट इज आल्सो नोन एज इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग कंडक्टर. ओके, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मेन कंडक्टर. ओके, यस. नाउ आफ्टर दिस we have understood the value of meaning of resistivity. Okay, now we have this formula. Can you calculate SI unit for resistivity? Yes, of course, you know the method. Which method? If we have a formula, then we will put SI unit of the quantities, then we will get the SI unit of unknown quantity. Okay, so same thing we do here. We know the SI unit of resistance, that is ohm. SI unit of resistivity, that is we don't know. Okay, SI unit of length, that is meter. SI unit of area, meter square. And after solving this is unknown quantity, resistivity rho. What we get? SI unit of rho is coming out to be ohm meter. Remember, ohm meter is the SI unit of resistivity. Okay, so this is about resistivity. One last point about resistivity is resistivity does not depend on length and area. Remember this point. Mind my word. Like resistance, resistivity does not depend on length and area. It only depends on temperature and type of material. It only depends on temperature and type of material. Okay? Hope you all are clear with this point. Okay? So what we have learned in this lecture about resistivity? Resistivity is nothing but it is the value of resistance for a conductor with unit dimensions. Okay, and SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. formula relating the resistance with resistivity is R is equal to rho L upon A. Okay, resistivity also known as specific resistance because it tells the specific value of resistance for a conductor. Okay, and yes, you can say resistivity also tells the strength of resistance, how strong resistance is offered in the path of current, कितना strong resistance है, ये strength जो है ना resistance की, वही आपकी क्या है resistivity, क्योंकि वही तो बता रहा है कि एक यूनिट डायमेंशन पे resistance कितना है, तो ये क्या है strength ही तो है. ठीक है, so this is all about resistivity. Hope no problem in this. Still if you have any doubt you can do comment. Okay, and